Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. But before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Whenever I come online, the bell rings in your phone too. Now, in this video, I'll show the two seasons. One is the evening autumn and the other one is winter night. Today I show the two generation also, the younger one and the older one, the beautiful evening night. Now for the painting, I'll just take the purple color first. I just paint it out in the mid part of it. After completing the dark purple shade in the middle part of the circle, then I'll take the lighter tone of purple shade and I just smudge the both color with the help of brush. As you can see, I just smudge these two colors, the lighter tone and the darker tone, with the help of brush. Now I just create the autumn evening background with the help of two colors, the orange one and the yellow one. First I take the orange and I just paint it out in the bottom part of the circle. Then I'll take the yellow one and I'll just paint it in the upper part of it. Then I smudge these two colors with the help of brush. This is the autumn evening, the autumn evening background which I created. Hope you like it. Now, this is the final one, the winter night, which I created with the help of two colors, dark blue and light blue. First, I just apply a dark blue at the background, which give and enhance the winter night which I want to create, the winter night background. First I just take the dark blue shades, then I'll take the lighter blue shade in the upper part, then I blend these two colors with the help of brush. As you can see, I just blend it out and smudge these two colors with the help of brush. After completing the background, I just draw a blossom tree with the help of black paint. The stem I just draw in the purple background, whereas the branches or the twigs I just draw some in the winter night. The rest of some I draw in the purple background and some I draw in the autumn evening background, which I just draw, and you can see, hopefully you like that painting and you easily draw. Now if you like my video, please subscribe it, hit the bell icon, share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you. After completing the tree, I just create the characters. In the winter night, I just create an old man and the old woman. They are walking. Is she holding also a stick? And they were walking in the beautiful winter night. Beside the other one, I just create the young girl and a boy. They are playing in the autumn evening with the balloons and enjoying their evening. After completing this sketch, I just take the cotton bud and I just dab it out with dark purple shade in the bottom part of purple background. After that, I just dab it in the upper side of twigs and branches also. First, I just apply the darker tone of purple shade. After that, I apply the lighter shade of it and tap it out in purple background. As you can see, I just tap it out the purple background with the lighter tone, plus before lighter tone the darker tone, and you can see it's creating so beautiful texture on it. Similarly, I apply the same process in both the winter night and the autumn evening. I just first take the darker tone of orange one, then I apply the yellow one, and in the winter night I just first dab it out with the darker blue, then I apply a lighter blue on it. After completing the tabbing, I just enhance the line with the marker. I just prominent the twigs and the branches with the marker. As you can see, I just enhancing their lines. For the winter night effect, I also apply a white paint on branches and a little bit spots on the background. Thank you for all your love and support. Please watch all my previous video which I uploaded and subscribe my channel and hit the bell.